We made enough diagrams for now. We'll probably add more later, but what I would like you to do is to put these all in paper space. So if you can, do a new layout. Okay, make a new layout, and then we're going to concentrate on these diagrams. So we've got the view out diagram, and these layers should probably be in the viewport layer. And then of course I'm gonna, let's see, make a rectangle for this page so that I could copy it at 11,8.5. Put that on, let's say, a 0 layer. And I'll copy this thing. Copy 11, so 12. Okay, and so this viewport right there, I should be able to change it to any one of these whatchamacallit, diagrams. I don't see the gray lines there because these guys are gray lines, and so since I don't have this as a printable paper, it just doesn't show, but it is there. So make a paper printout for each one of the diagrams that we made, and that should be one of the homeworks that we should set up for you guys. So after you set up all of these different diagrams, you should have a clue as to where you're going to put your building. Okay, so as part of the design class, it's not part of my class, but it's part of the design class, you are to, using these information that you just drew up, decide where you're going to put your cube. Where'd my cube go? Oh, there it is. So copy, move that. So for this one, if I wanted the building to be seen, it will be lined up there. Copy. If I don't want the building to be seen, it would be anywhere over here, right? If I want this thing to be, if I want my building to be in an area that is approachable from the 2-axis, it'll be right there. If I want it anywhere from the back, it should be somewhere within that line. Okay, so this I'm going to move out a little bit, and maybe when I decide where to put that, I'll shorten this arrowhead a little bit. I'll shorten it right now. Okay, so with these diagrams, you should be able to determine where your entry porch is going to be and how your approach is, how you are setting your approach. It could be the 5-foot by 16-foot approach on the south side, or the 5-foot approach being on the east side, or the northeast side, I guess, and all that decision that could be made with this set of information. Okay, so again, you are to create all of these diagrams and put it onto its own individual diagram sheets. and then that's what you will turn into me on Tuesday. Okay, and on Tuesday you might have to show this to Sardinus as well. I don't know. Okay, so that's going to be homework 1. Homework 2 is going to be for you to start your meditation cube project. So we already started making the model of the thing with this the volumetric subtraction. Now what you want to do is to start to add what we did for the volumetric subtraction that we all did together. As one of the example where we did the subtraction cube and the volumetric subtraction cube, using those techniques, create a meditation cube design of your own for your design class. Okay, and as you develop that project, we will be applying all the stuff that we did for these guys, putting in the line weights and making the isometric drawing and all that. You will have it for your own meditation chapel cube thing. Okay.